GIS dashboards. They are a critical part of spatial decision making, and in this video we are going to talk about ways you can create GIS dashboards, specifically with ESRI package ArcGIS dashboard. So to kind of review the learning objective of the video, we first are going to conceptualize operations dashboard. And focusing on GIS, we look at the operations dashboard in GIS. Then we demonstrate the applications of operations dashboard as well as GIS dashboard in decision making. And finally, we are going to implement effective ways to create GIS dashboards. So what are dashboards? They are visual display of the most important information curated for one or more goals. So they're not just focused on one specific goal. They are going to serve different goals, and they are going to be in one place, or what we call the dashboard. They are designed, arranged, and packed and stacked on one page. They are also, in many cases, are the go-to place to find the key performance indicators or KPIs. Hopefully, they are designed in a way that allow for quick and access to the real-time information. And finally, with one glance at the dashboard, they provide the valuable information that are critical for decision-making. So think about the benefits of dashboard, why they are important. First is the visibility. They are focused on the most important valuable information. So they are going to be visible for a wide range of people. They are going to also need to be improved over the time. So by looking at the KPIs or other indicators, the organization also help to see the improvement opportunities. The information that is stacked on the dashboard helps to save time, not going back and forth between different pages of information or different spreadsheets. They're all in one page. And finally, they keep track of the performance indicators, so they help to monitor the performance. So when you measure the information, you are going to curate that in a way that tells a story and finally helps to call to an action. And that's the way you use the data to help make better decisions. Just going back one step, thinking about the theory behind the visual information and the cognitive visual perception, human brains process visual information faster and more efficiently than text. So even though you may contain much more information in text, you are going to have a hard time of transferring that to the human mind. So by just looking at the visual information, charts, graphs, maps, and colors, you are able to transfer the same amount of information even much faster. The ArcGIS dashboard is a product by ESRI as the industry leader on location intelligence, and it makes the spatial visualization very effective and helps to support the performance monitoring in many organizations that have the spatial information. They're all also designed to help share the information. It could be placed on any website, so the information that is gathered on a real-time basis can be distributed on a wider range. There is a web client for ArcGIS dashboard, which is built on ArcGIS Online, and that helps to really embed or link to that specific place on different platforms. And configuration and customization of the ArcGIS dashboard is really intuitive and it's really user-friendly. So for example, thinking about the Philadelphia crime dashboard for police chief, you can easily see the number of crime by the hour of the day and divisions. You can also think about the percentage of crime types by police division. You can see the major type of the crime and the location of these crimes and crime types distributions. All of them are right now just stacked in one page here, but are also linked. So you can easily just click on any of these points or any of these reports and follow up with more information, probably see if the crime is not closed, it's in the process. You can follow up on that. So how to make the ArcGIS dashboard? After getting, of course, the proper license, you can sign up for ArcGIS Online. You purchase the license for different applications, including ArcGIS Dashboard, and then the ArcGIS Dashboard is going to be loaded on the application pane, and you can easily just start creating the dashboard. One thing to consider here is that the data you need for the GIS dashboard is not just solely based on the information you have on ArcGIS Online. You can even bring your own data to include on the ArcGIS dashboard. For example, think about this very interesting dashboard about the number of attendees in one specific workshop, and then you can add different elements. For example, you can add a map, you can add a hotspot analysis on top of the map. So the layers that you have on the map could be also displayed here. You can have a gauge chart as well as a numerical value for indicators that you have in mind. You can have other attributes added to the dashboard. It's really intuitive process. And after you finish, you can save and share that. And another very widespread type of dashboard that has been used in recent year is the COVID-19, and specific case is in Florida, which was a really interesting case due to some of the challenges that governor had with the actual GIS data scientist, but she did not really wanted to listen to the lies and change the actual value of the truthful data. So you can also read that story. But overall, you can see the important indicators here. You can see the trends. You can see the unfortunate situations, and on every single case, you can possibly within a specific areas, within specific counties, you can see maybe a little bit more detail as well. So I hope you enjoy a very brief overview of ArcGIS dashboard and kind of a conceptualization of the dashboards. And we'll see you in the next video.